How to use scrolling text animation in Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up Capcut on a device. Then tap on new project. Then select the video and tap on add. Now wait for the video to compress. Now wait for some time. Then tap on text. Then tap on add text. Now type a text. Now once you're done, simply tap on animations. Now select the in animation. Then tap on search. Now type slide. Then tap on search. Then scroll down. Now select slide right. Now increase, now increase the timer. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.